got a mess here. Anyways, as you can see, I have a fender flare now. So I guess today's video will be on how to install these $20 fender flares. So eventually I will put some rib nuts in there with some nice hardware, but for now I have self-tappers that I pre-drilled. And you can see the fitment, it's not too bad, kind of a little gap there. It is better than this side. As you guys have known, my fenders have been messed up. Went back to a 15-inch tire. Actually, this side fits, but look how gross that looks. I had to make it fit. Also polished my wheels. Need to put a wheel spacer or something along these fenders. But let's show you how I went from this to this. Here I am just pre-drilling holes in these plastic fender flares, and this will help me drill it onto the car. And now we're just laying tape down, and this will help me center the fender flare so I can make sure I'm drilling the holes in the same spot on both sides. We're satisfied with what we have here. I feel like this will clearance itself, self-clearancing. Very unofficial here. I'm literally just gonna take this marker, mark where the body line is. That's about 1 inch. Obviously this side's more inside. Same with that. Now we can kind of do one there. Free balling skills ready. We got eye protection, ear protection. We got a hat to keep the sun out of our face. We got gloves. We got a body saw. So I'm just gonna cut along this line the best I can. Okay. You guys are probably wondering, how are you gonna clean up the roughness? Well, we got this hair file. Because my cut went down and up. So this will help me make some more clearance. Okay, so nowhere near perfect, but better than before. Only thing I do is just fold over this piece of metal. And this one. Then we're gonna free ball these. Fuck. The step drill's killer. It just digs into it. Sure. And then you get your self-tapper screws. And then you just pack them in place. All right, well, looks hella cool now because I'm tucking sidewall with a flare. We're like right here, paying attention to the ling long little marker. We're about the same ride height. If anything, a lot tighter here. Probably panhard bar adjustment. Yeah, definitely. Just a little though. So if anything, that means I need to extend the panhard bar. Now I'm like, shorten it. If anything, I need to shorten the panhard bar. Let's bring this wheel out. Simple. Not too wide. Perfect. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I fixed the fender. Fixed. Literally just sprayed over all the shite and better than before. Polished wheels, back to 15-inch. Okay, so I've been driving on this for about a week and I hear some slight rubbing, so I might have to cut the metal more. So let's inspect. Well, all right, so under articulation, it does rub. The other side seems like it's chopping the tire. For this, I feel like I can bend this up a little. So if you see this, this is self-clearancing. That's how good of a fit it was. See that? Made its own clearance here. Where's it rubbing? Everywhere. Full contact rub. So, but from here to here, I could probably cut a little more. Or I can kind of bend this up. Get your Harbor Freight dead blow. Oh yeah, that's a nice way to mess up a car. I've changed the shape just a little. I mean, no issues there, but this will do. This is temporary hardware. I want to see how close it comes to the tire, because man, oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, that's not smart at all. Nope. We need to replace this with very short hardware. I've modified these just so they don't chew up the tire. Hey, look, they still work. Okay, that looks terrible. Okay, we'll do opposite. Let's tighten the top first, then go out towards the edges. We're gonna clean off that primer. As for this side, we're gonna do the same exact thing. Looks like it gracefully tucks. I'm wondering if I was just rubbing against the hardware. You know, I guess they do fit pretty well. Not too shabby. That's it for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe.